Good job. Compound words put two words together. Sun, flower, sunflower. Choose silly. Oh, so silly. Can you act worried? Good job. Do you like to be silly?
Yeah.
One little, two little, three little kittens. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little kittens. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little.
The monster is blue.
What color is this monster?
This monster is purple.
Well done, Chocolate. Chocolate.
Or the peach. I don't
Yeah.
think it's peach. It's apple.
It looks like an apple. It's kind of orange. I will trade the basketball for
I have a cake.
a cake. Mm.
Yes. And your friends?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yu, did you have school today? No. Flint saw 4 ducks at the zoo. Then he saw 4 more ducks. What does 4 plus 4 equal?
Angela, remember the last time that I saw you? I told you I was traveling to the beach.
Yes.
Do you want to see?
Yes.
Okay, I'll turn you around.